Hello, everyone. So I wanted to go ahead for this week and start introducing new sight words. So previously in the classroom, we have been learning 4 new sight words a week. Obviously, with everything that's going on, we're a little bit behind, but that's okay. We're just going to take it one day at a time. And hopefully, you guys are practicing at home and we can just learn some new words this week. So, um, you guys have seen this worksheet before. You know exactly how it works. If you want, I have posted the full worksheet on the Google Classroom for you. If you have access to a printer and want to print it out as I'm going through all of the different sections, please feel free to do so. If you do not have access to a printer, that's okay. You can sit here, follow along with me, and I have some ways that I think that I can still interact with you and make this worksheet fun. So let's go ahead and get started here. As always, we always look at our word in the first box. We talk about what type of letters we have. So in this word that we have for today, I'm not going to say it just yet. We're going to go through all of our information. Do we have any tall letters? No. Do we have any small letters? Yes, we have A, W, and A. Do we have any basement letters? Yes, we have our Y, a basement letter. Remember, it goes below the baseline. All right, so we know that this word has 4 letters. We know all the names of all of our letters, A, W, A, Y. All right, so we're going to go ahead and read this word. The word is away. Your turn. I want you to swipe read it with me. 1, 2, 3, away. Let's do it one more time. If you do not have the paper in front of you, just swipe your finger across in the air like you would do in class. Pretend like it's on your paper. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, away. Good. Now in this next box, we are going to write the word. So here we go. A, W, A, Y. And really make sure that with your Y, you go down into the basement. Okay. I know you guys are going to have better handwriting than me. You always do. Let's look at our next box. We are going to clap out the word away. Ready? Let's do it together. Away. Hopefully you guys can hear me clapping on the microphone. So let's try it again. Ready? Away. How many times did we clap when we said the word away? 2. I'm going to use our yellow crayon like we normally do. If you don't have a yellow crayon at home, that's okay. Pick a different color. Make sure you color in that 2 circle. And then for the next activity or the next box, I'm going to use a red crayon. So if you have a red crayon and want to match me, go ahead and get it out. And let's color in the word away. A, W, A, Y. Good job. Remember, when we're coloring, we're trying to stay inside our lines. Alrighty, our next spot here. Let me get our screen set up. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so in the next box here, we need to trace the word away. I know you guys are all awesome tracers, so please try your best to stay on the lines, and I'll try my best here too, even though I'm on my computer. A W A Y. Good job. Our next section, we are going to spell it. Remember, we have a small box, so think about what letter goes here. We have a wide box, so think about the letter that you're going to put here. Another small box, and then a basement box. Okay, so think about your letters. Here we go. Let's spell the word away. A W A Y. All right, friends, I want you to go ahead and stop. Check your handwriting. Okay, normally, remember, this is when I would normally walk around. Remember, and as I'm walking around, I'm finding a few friends who have awesome handwriting, so go ahead and check your handwriting. If everything looks good, let's go ahead and move on. And our bottom box down here in the corner, you guys love this box. It's find the word 3 times. So what word are we looking for today? We're looking for the word away. Go ahead and circle away 3 times. And then you can check yourself when I'm finished here and make sure yours matches up. And then finally down here, the last box, who did you tell? Go ahead, you can tell it to mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, your brother, your sister. You can even say it back to me if you want to. So on the count of 3, go ahead and say it to somebody. 1, 2, 3, away. Put a check mark in the box, and you guys are finished. Awesome job, kindergarten. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more videos for you to complete and learn our new sight words throughout the week. See you later.